Hello again, I'm Jacob Dunlop. Today, last Tuesday, July 2nd, I'm going to show you this God new Adam Sandler's 8 Crazy Nights on a 2-disc special edition DVD. The ultimate battle between naughty and nice. It says the funniest holiday movie of all time. From Bill Swanker, Fox TV. Let's see. Here's the front, Adam Sandler. This is the front. Favorite characters in traditional cartoon. It's a PG-13 appropriate rated. So here's the spine, also known as the side. And here's the back cover. You'll laugh, you'll panic, you'll laugh some more. Anderson Jones. So disc 1, widescreen and full screen feature, and disc 2, bonus materials. An approach that says 76 minutes and color. Because both DVDs are region 1, and of course Dolby Digital and the closed captioning. And Columbia Pictures, the bottom, and Columbia TriStar Home Entertainment. So let's go ahead and open this up, and let's see what's inside. Okay. So here we have 2 discs. So here's the flyer talking about, if you enjoy this film, check out these other comedies on DVD. And here we have the back, the scene selection, scenes from 1 to 28. So here we have disc 1, the feature film. Let's see. And disc 2 is the bonus materials. There we go. There we go. So that's all for today of 8 Crazy Nights from Adam Sandler movie. This is Jacob Dunlop signing off. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click the bell button for more videos.